Introduction. Routine medical checkup is going on at current school. His teacher makes all the students of the class stand in the decreasing order of their heights. Karan wants to know if numbers can be arranged in a similar manner. He also wants to know if the arrangement can be reversed. In this lesson, you will learn to expand, arrange, and identify numbers. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the largest and smallest 2- and 3-digit numbers. Arrange numbers in ascending and descending orders. Expand numbers. Use ordinal numbers to indicate position. Grouping objects. Look at this bunch of flowers. There are 10 flowers in the bunch. We can make 2 groups, each consisting of 5 flowers. Look at this bundle of sticks. There are 12 sticks in the bundle. To make 4 groups, each bundle will have 3 sticks. We can similarly group other objects. Self-assessment. Roll your mouse over each group to learn more. 2-digit numbers. The numbers from 1 to 9 have only 1 digit each. Therefore, they are called single-digit numbers. The numbers from 10 to 99 have 2 digits each. Therefore, they are called 2-digit or double-digit numbers. Place values. Single digits numbers have only 1 digit at the ones place. 2-digit numbers have 1 digit at the ones place and another at the tens place. Number 5 has only 1 digit 5. It is at the ones place. Number 47 has 2 digits 4 and 7. 7 is at the ones place and 4 is at the tens place. Expansion of numbers. Let us break 2-digit numbers into tens and ones. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. It means there are 5 tens and 6 ones in 56. Similarly, 39 can be written as 30 plus 9. It means there are 3 tens and 9 ones in 39. Ascending and descending orders. Mohit's father climbed up the ladder to search for a book in the attic. He moved up from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 till step 10. He found the book. He climbed down the ladder from step 10 to step 9 to step 8 till step 1. Numbers can also be arranged in a similar way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. Arrangement of numbers from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. Self-assessment. Fill the blanks by drag and drop the correct options. Greatest and smallest 1 or 2-digit numbers. The last 1-digit number is 9. It is the greatest one-digit number. The first two-digit number is 10. It is the smallest two-digit number. The last two-digit number is 99. It is the greatest two-digit number. Ordinal numbers. Words like first, second, third, etc. are used to indicate positions. Such numbers are called ordinal numbers. There are 20 students in a class. Ayush's name is written first in the attendance register. Dhruv's name comes second. Seema's name is at the 10th position. Three-digit numbers. Numbers that have 3 digits in them are called three-digit numbers. 100 is the first three-digit number. It is the smallest three-digit number. 999 is the last three-digit number. Therefore, it is the largest three-digit number. All the numbers between 100 and 999 are three-digit numbers. 100 on Abacus. Look at this Abacus. It has 3 strings. Each string represents a position. The rightmost string represents the ones place, the next the tens place, and the leftmost the hundreds place. The beads in each string represent the value at each position. There are 3 beads in the hundreds string, 5 in the tens string, and 4 in the ones string. The number represents by the abacus is 300 plus 50 plus 4, which is equal to 354. Expansion of numbers. Let us break three-digit numbers into hundreds, tens, and ones. 879 can be written as 800 plus 70 plus 9. It means there are 8 hundreds, 7 tens, and 9 ones in 879. Similarly, 426 can be written as 400 plus 20 plus 6. It means there are 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones in 426. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. 9 is the largest one-digit number. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 99 is the largest two-digit number. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. 999 is the largest three-digit number. Arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. Arrangement of numbers from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. Ordinal numbers are used to indicate position.